Uzair says, how would you suggest I learn these methodologies, and what more do you suggest for me as a beginner to get good in this field? So Uzair, I also have a chapter on methodology in my book, because methodology is something you kind of have to almost take like a scientific approach to, because methodology is more about a process, right? And that's really what you're trying to learn, and you're trying to learn that away from the code, away from the keyboard, away from any individual type of algorithm or whatnot, right? You're trying to just learn it at a high level. So one of the examples I use in my book is I reference a writer by the name of Annie Duke. She wrote a really great book a couple years back called Thinking in Bets, where she talks about how you have to separate the process from the result. There are many things in your life where you got a negative result, or not the result you wanted, but you still had a good process to how you reach that decision, right? And then vice versa can also happen. You can have a great result, but you had a terrible process, or in some cases a non-existent process to get there. So Uzair, that's the resource I would point you to. I have an entire chapter on methodology, and it's something that I'm really passionate about, because I think that methodology is what separates the good data scientists from the not so good data scientists, and in turn, it also determines the better data science teams, right? You should have leadership in your data science team that focuses on methodology, because ultimately that's what's going to help you, down the road, right? So I hope that helps you, Uzair. Joseph says, hello, Dennis. Hope you're doing well.